Okay, section 1, same base. We are trying to get the bases to be the same, so I can highlight one of each. Once I can do that, then I can set my exponents equal to each other and solve. Okay, next question, I've got two bases on the same side, so I'm going to simplify by subtracting the exponents because that's a fraction. And then I'm going to do the trick where this is something to the 0 power to get 1. And since on the left side I'm base 5, I'm going to do the right side as base 5. 5 to the 0 power gives you 1. Then I have accomplished getting one base, I don't know why that went gray, one base of each side, one of each on each side, so that are the same. So this one I get x equals 3. Okay. Number 3, this is about as hard as these kinds of questions get. Notice I've got different bases and I've got 2 4s on one side and 1 8 on the other. So I'm going to go into my power chart and I see that 4, 4, and 8 are all in the row that are base 2. So I am going to rewrite these all as base 2. So 4 is 2 squared. So I'll do 2 squared, so the 2, and then multiply it times the exponent that's already there. And then this 4 is 2 squared, and multiply it times this exponent. And 8 is 2 to the 3rd. So I'm almost there. I have all the same bases, but I need to have just one base 2 on the left, and I've got 2 of them. So I'm going to combine. Since the bases are the same, I am going to add those exponents. So let's simplify. 2 times 2x is 4x. I'm going to distribute this 2, so you get 6x minus 4. I'm going to add those exponents. So 4x plus 6x minus 4 equals 2 to the 3rd. So now I've accomplished, I've got one base on the left that's 2, and one base that is 2 on the right. So I'm going to set my exponents equal to each other. 4x and 6x is 10x minus 4 equals 3. I'm going to add 4 to both sides and divide by 10. 7 over 10. Okay, so that was our first day. Writing stuff is the same base. We had some rewriting where we're going to write this as x to the 4/5. Remember, this is your root and this is your power. So this is the same as x to the 4/5 exponent. Rational exponents, again, I always have to rewrite these so that they're not sideways fractions. The bottom number is your root, top number is your power. So I'm going to take the 4th root of 16, which means on my chart, I'm going to find x to the 4th up top, go down the list until you find 16. That means that its base is 2. Go all the way to the left, its base is 2. So 2 to the 5th, on that same power chart, look at 2 and go to x to the 5th, and right next to that is 32. Okay, a little bit harder is number 6. This negative is going to flip the inside fraction to be 27 over 1 to the 2/3. I'm just going to do 27. Okay, the 3 is your root. So on your power chart, you'd find the 3rd root down here is 27, which would mean that the base is 3. Then we're going to go 3 squared. That would be under x squared. 3 squared is 9. Okay. And then finally, what we did yesterday. So this is x to the 2/3 equals 25. To undo 2/3, I'm going to grab another color, and I'm going to take the reciprocal power. Make sure when you write it as an exponent. These are going to cancel. You're left with x is equal to 25 to the 3/2. The bottom is your root. The square root of 25 is 5. And 5 to the 3rd is 125. Okay, try number 8. I'm going to take this to the 2/5 on both sides. So I'm left with 2x minus 1 equals 32 to the 2/5. This is my root. If I look at my power chart, I go under x to the 5th and I find 32, should be the first one. Base is 2. 2 squared is 4. Add 1. Oops. 2x equals 5, so I divide by 2. X equals 5 over 2. Okay, last one, let me erase my little power chart. You have to rewrite this. So I know that this is 4x to the, this is your root, so that number's got to be in the bottom. 4x to the 4/3 equals 81. Grab another color, put big parentheses around these, and take it to the 3/4. These are cancel. 4x is left on the left, and then I'm going to take the 4th root of 81. So that would be x to the 4th. Go down in your power chart, you'll see an 81. That corresponds with 3. And then I'm left with the power of 3. 3 to the 3rd on my power chart is 27. So x equals 27 over 4. Okay, that's all the topics by day. Go ahead and start your review worksheet. Make sure you do the whole review worksheet before you check the key. Bring questions the next time I see you.